All right, last recorder to pick up for the day. Well, I see my footprints from last night. And what a nice little wetland area. Here are the microphones. Okay, there's one clippy. And the other clippy right here. And the dry bag. Exit back to the road. Now this dry bag is wet, so must have rained a little bit in this location. Pretty wet. I always like the rain audio too. Check out the recorder. 15 hours, excellent. Off of hold, stop, shut down the PCM M10, disconnect the microphones, and there we go. Success. All 5 recorders retrieved. All the equipment safe and sound. A little bit wet, but it'll dry up. It's so beautiful out here this morning. So, head back to the car after we take the snake leggings off. They're nice and warm. Handy thing to have. They're a little bit bulky to carry. This is my biggest complaint. All right, that's a pretty picture right there. Should take a picture. Android. Let's take a picture. Oh, got my fingers in them. Shucks. All right, let's try again. I can so remember the era of disposable cameras. Spent so much money developing sorry pictures. All right, GoPro, stop recording.